Welcome back, guys. This is the continuation of the first video where I'm introducing you to futures trading. If you have not seen that video before seeing this one, please revert to that first version so that you can see where all the terminologies were discussed, all the what take profit means, what stop loss means, and then what long and short means. Please revert to that video, then you can continue with this one. Let's go ahead, guys. If you have been following, please, my name is Webnora, and then this is welcome to my channel. And then please, if you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe to encourage this channel. Thank you very much, guys. Let's move on. Now, from the last time we discussed, we were looking at the price action and then the entry point. Now, looking at the entry point, we have 2554 here, and then the limit, the entry price is 0.2678, and then the instruction is to sell. The instruction is to sell. So that means if we are entering at 0.2678, if it comes down, if the price drops to 0.2308, we'll take profit. If the price refuses to drop from the entry point, if it refuses to drop, but instead it's going higher than the entry point, if it gets to this price point, please sell. Please stop the loss, cut the trade, and then let me just count my losses and name them one by one. That's basically what it means. Okay. Let me also tell you that what futures is about is this: you can make money if the market is falling. You can also make money when the market is rising. That is basically futures for you. If the market is falling, you can predict that the market will fall, and then you put your price point, your entry point, and then your take profit point, and then the market you'll make money if it goes your way. But if the market is rising or falling, whichever one happens, you can make money. But do not make the mistake of not having your take profit or your stop loss on. It's very, very risky. If I have $10,000 in this account, and then I initiate a trade, and I did not initiate my stop loss, if this trade goes otherwise, the entire $10,000 will be wiped out. Though maybe I had the intention of using only $100 for the trade, the entire $10,000 will be wiped out. So that is why it is very, very important for you to always engage your stop loss. Okay, that's your SL. So let's go ahead, please. Now it says our take profit is 0.2308. So we go ahead. Let's see if it allows us to copy. That's our take profit. Paste. Yes. So we have our take profit now. So it's telling us estimated P&L. That means we'll be making about $8 if this, see below it. We'll be making about $8 if this trade goes our way. Now let's look at our stop loss. Don't worry, I'm still going to explain further. I know you may still be confused, but I'm still going to explain further. Okay. Now let's look at the prices again, so that you can properly understand. Look at the price. Look at the chart here. Look at the chart here. It says, see the candles. If they are turning red, if the candle is red, it means the market price is dropping. If it's green, it means it's going up. Okay, and right here you're seeing, I'm just going to explain this to you like a 2-year-old actually, so that you can understand and you can operate from here. The green you have here is the current price point, current market price, which also reflects here. This is the current market price. Okay, now it says entry point. This is our entry point, 0.2559, meaning we want to sell, we want to short the market, we want to predict that the market will actually fall from this point. If it gets to 2559, it will fall, and we want to make it money when it falls. So we now say, okay, we are going to buy with this amount in our wallet, with this $6, we'll slide that we want to buy the entire $6. That's 100%. Then we'll now say we are taking profit if the market gets to 0. If it falls from 0.25 of entry point here, if it falls from here to here, please take profit. It don't do me, I know they do again. I don't make small money. That's like $5. Okay, that's like $5. If you check under it here, you see that $5 there that we'll be making estimated. Now, if the market does not go our way and then it reverses and it's still going, it's still pumping, if the market is still pumping, it's still going up, and then it gets to this 2.2730, see the difference between now, see the entry point here. Entry point is this 255, and then this is the stop loss, which means about 0.27 is the stop loss. That means it's still going higher. So if it goes higher, because now sell, we want sell, we want no one buy, then short the market off, and then let me count my losses and rest. Okay, so once you have set this, you are good to go. The next thing you need to now do is short the market. Short, this is short here, this is long here, this is long, this is short. Next thing you now need to do is to short the market. Okay, is to short the market to 0.2559. So I'm shorting now, and then see this market order submitted. You see now it will now come here, order waiting for execution. So once this price action hits 2559, now this positioning will be activated. From here now you can now monitor your trade, how it's going, what is happening exactly, how much you are making, percentage and everything wise. Okay, but this is just for training purposes. I'm going to exit this market right now. So to exit this market, I can either modify or just click on cancel. So I'm going to cancel the market. So basically that, guys, this is how to get into crypto trading when it comes to futures. It's very, very volatile, so you need to really know what you are doing. And then if you have any questions at all, please use the comment section below. I will be there to answer any questions you may have. And then if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Do subscribe, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video. I'll see you later. Bye.